for it. What are you doing today? Today's a Saturday, September 22nd. Yeah, it's getting cold out now. I think fall's here. So today we're gonna attempt to change out the passenger front hub. It's making a noise. So we're gonna try it out, do a little bit of footage on it, see if we can do a little how to change it out. And then real quick, we're gonna talk about jacking the Corvette up. If you ever jack your Corvette up, you're gonna wanna make sure you leave your doors cracked, about like that. Take your top off, both sides, so when you jack it up, it flexes a little bit. You're gonna have the hood open, or you can have it cracked like this if you wanted to. But just in case you have a Corvette and you end up jacking it out, that's what you're going to want to do. Open up the doors a little bit. I'll have the kid take it away. He's got to unlock that and take that off. And this is the hub we're going to be replacing. Let's go check it out. It's in a box. I ordered it from Summit Racing. Can you believe it? You go to all these local auto places around here, AutoZone and O'Reilly's and everywhere. No one has one. I mean, it's crazy. Hang on. There we go. There she is, the front. I'm gonna just do the passenger side for now. I just ordered one for right now. Here's the part number. Get it at Summit Racing. It was cheaper at Summit Racing anyway. And what's nice too, Summit Racing's in Ohio. I usually get stuff in 2 days from them. Depends what time I order it, but there it is. So we're gonna attempt to do it. All right, guys, let me get everything set up. Talking to me. We're getting ready to take the caliper off. The kid is. So we got 15mm bolt right here. Bolt. We got one here and here, and then we're gonna have to take these 4 bolts off and this one off here. But before that, we'll take the caliper off. Make sure we hang it up so you don't stretch your line. And we take the rotor off. Right there. So we'll get to it. Here, got the caliper off. Now we're gonna have to get the bracket off so we can get the rotor off. The bracket's gonna be a 13/16. Now I gotta look for it. Up around a jack so we don't mess up the line. Looks like I'm gonna have to clean it before I put it back together. Bracket 13/16 bolt. Wasn't on there too tight. Was able to get it off. So here, check it out. See, we got Corvette on it. Pretty cool. We'll clean it up. There. Got that. We'll have the kid take that off. Go ahead. Take that off and set it on the thing. On the cardboard. Go ahead, grab it. Go ahead, grab that off. Please. Did you get it? There you go. Go ahead and put on the... There. Okay, now let's get set up for the tools for these bolts. Back it off for the ABS right here. So we've got some nuts here, 15mm. Already loosened them up. Figure I show that. So basically, get that off. Make sure you don't lose all your hardware. Forceful with it. It's pretty. It's not really on there that much. Maybe I should wear gloves. Oh well. There you go. Set that to the side. Try to be careful with it. That's gonna be 15mm on both. They're not on there that tight. I'm gonna loosen them all up. Grant, we're not mechanics either, we're just driveway mechanics. There we go. Alright. Got that. We'll let the kid put it together. So here's the old one, pull it right out. Leave the bolts. Is it the same?
Yeah. One thing that looks different is instead of this being flat, it's
matched it up. Go ahead and clean this stuff up. Hold Okay, we got the big. Got to reuse these. If you go like that, you're not gonna get it off. So what we gotta do is, we got these holes, line it up. Not that one. Which one was it? Because what we're gonna do, is you line up. You got this one hole right here. It's pretty big, and then you just pull them out. Get off 4, and we got this seal. Since it's pretty good, we're gonna reuse this seal. Our new ones, we're gonna put them in through the hole. Oops, that didn't work. Kind of line it up. Turn it. For the next one. Got out 4. Now what I like to do is before we put the bolts back on, I like to put some anti-seize on the bolts, just a little bit. So if you ever take them off again, then you're not going to have, they won't rust up. But with this, vehicle basically always in the garage, really not driven in the rain that much, unless you get caught in it. My kid got caught in it the other day. So then you don't have to worry about it rusting up, especially at house with the aluminum. Have the kid tighten everything up. Kind of line them in there. Alright. You got the bolts. Alright. Got the 4 bolts. That's good. I'm going to put some little bit of anti-seize at the end. This stuff's great. Always use. You got to mix it up a little bit. It's been sitting. Just need a little bit at the ends. There you go. This stuff too, getting on your hands, you probably definitely want to wear gloves. I'll get everything started, and the kid would take over. This ain't a bad job, really. I mean, if we weren't filming that, I would say an hour and a half, because we're gonna clean the caliper up a little bit and stuff like that. And then you gotta make sure you want to clean your rotor off with some brake clean. So, alright, that's on there. Get the kid to start tightening them up a little bit. Rotor on, we want to make sure we use some brake clean. Clean it up. There you go. Kind of inspect it too, the rotor. Make sure it's still in good shape. This one's pretty good. It's pretty thick. Plus, too, you should replace the pads too on this. I replaced them not too long ago. So we should be alright. Knock on wood. So that's it. Now I'm gonna put the bracket on. Do you remember how it goes? It goes just like that. There you go. Get the bolts. Put a little bit of seize on it. Stuff makes a mess. Cap's messed up. Just a little bit. Goes back on like that. Snug it in there just to get it going. Gotta grab it. Nope. Let me get the top. There we go. Alright, get the bottom one. Gave me a little hard time there. There we go. It's all in. Just gotta tighten up. We'll let the kid tighten up, and we'll continue. All right, your turn. It's getting hot out today. Yeah, tighten up the top and then do a little bit on the bottom. Just go back and forth. Got your left-handed, it's hard when you're lefty.
Stop fitting on.
It's installed. There we go. So if you want to order that Summit Racing, there it is. Auto Extra. It was I'll get the receipt. I think it was 57. So, and here's the old one right here. Not bad job to do it. It's not hard at all. The rear will be really hard. Will take a little bit more time. But the front are pretty simple. Pretty easy. Anybody can do it. On your C4 Corvette. This is an 87 Corvette. Me and the kid did it. How long did it take us? About an hour, yeah, about an hour, a little over an hour, which is not bad. Let the kid get some wrench time in. So, and then to do this job, you needed a 15mm sockets. Right here, so all my, that one's not 15, that's 20, not that one. 15mm, great wrench, got a bar, get some leverage on. This is from Harbor Freight, works pretty good. And here's 13/16 to get your bracket off for your calipers right here. So that's all you need, and then you need your torque wrench to torque your lug nuts back on. We're gonna go 100 pounds. I believe that's what it is for the Corvette. So this is another Harbor Freight torque wrench. Works pretty good. With that, you can use those coupons and get one. And it's perfect. You're not using it every day. It works great. I have the other one too, and then got my cordless help out too, snap on. So all right, we're gonna get the tire on, and I'll do a little bit of footage of tire back on, and that's it. Together, everything torqued down. The kid torqued them down. He didn't want to be on video torquing down, but put him to work, so that's all right. It's good. He's learning a little bit. He's putting tighten the top back down, and we're getting all buttoned up, and yeah. And I did that. It's nice and solid now. So it's pretty much the end of the season. I'm gonna order the other one for the driver's side. It's the same part, and do it over the winter. If you guys want, I can make maybe a more detailed video of doing it. We're just basically doing a video on the fly as we're trying to get the car done, because we want to get it cleaned up and go to a car show tomorrow. Last Corvette car show that we know of in Michigan anyway. It's at Belle Isle Park. So yeah, we're gonna finish this up and get it ready for tomorrow. And then I have a hub for the rear. Maybe in the winter to replace them. I'm just waiting for them to start making noise. But I picked up the parts when they get on sale on that, because this car's, you know, everything's original on it pretty much, but it sits a lot.